Hey, my bro, how are you doing? The best answer is I'm kicking and alive. I'm going to cover this hall and you are going to see a lot of medical equipment, which is crucially important for our well-being and health. Everyone wants to be healthy. But sometimes when we are sick, we have to see the doctors. And let's go and check the equipment and we are going to check them one by one. And then you have a better perception of this industry. And that is the first one. And I'm lacking of time, so I just show you the logo roughly. And if you want to check the company's name, you just pause, and then you can search for it on Google. You can get it. And this room, this hall, is holding the companies for medical optics, operating room facilities, equipment. Maybe you are a doctor, maybe you are working in the hospital, or sometimes you are gravely sick, so you have to know this kind of operation facilities, and which can make your sickness to be better. Sometimes you can totally hold operating room, medical optics. Look at the logo. Everyone is working hard. Tomorrow is the first day of kicking off. Have you seen a doctor lately? I hope you are kicking and alive. You are full of beans every day. You don't need this kind of operations and equipment. But unfortunately, some people are sick. Look at that logo. That's pretty cool. And everyone has been working very hard in order to accomplish the projects within tonight. The fair's name is CMEF, China International Medical Equipment Fair. Fujifilm. Most of the booths are pretty big. So which means this fair is pretty significant. And people just regard it as the best platform to promote and to get the suppliers, get the buyers, or even distributors and agents. Look at that logo. It's a mess during the setup time, dusty and dirty. But this kind of stand builders have been working so hard. Medical optics, medical robots. Look at the logo. A speaker is very loud. This fair is kicking off. It's kicking off tomorrow morning. It will last for 3 days. If you miss this one, the autumn edition is in Beijing. I think it is in October. So you can go to Beijing to visit this fair. Micropod. You can see the equipment. So guys, being healthy is so important. Look at those facilities and equipment for operations, maybe. Aging naturally, that's fine. But sometimes if you are in your mid-age and you are seriously sick, it's going to be a catastrophe for the entire family. Look at the logo. Everyone is working hard. We can see more equipment there. Equipment, you can see. I'm pretty sure tomorrow is very busy here. What about that equipment? It's just a professional one. A logo. Oh, it's too huge. I haven't seen anyone. I mean, I just see maybe 1/3 of them. Too many companies. If you're into this business, if you like this fair, you can come here tomorrow by yourself. Yeah, it's too tiring to walk too much. Okay, here is the end of the hall. Please support me by either adding a comment or clicking the like button. You can see the facility for operations. Being healthy is so important. Okay, bye-bye everyone. See you. Bye-bye.